the bills won't pay, but we keep visions that we made. When the lights go dim, we rise again. Not for height, but to build and win. Built after hours, real and true. Real people, real talks, breakthrough. Side hustles, hope that midnight fire. We build our dreams with strong desire. No shortcuts, just hard and drive. Changing lives while we survive. This is our time, this our sound. Yeah, we're built when the sun goes down.
Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. So it's almost the end of the week again. So welcome to our Go Live episode every Friday. So I'm Marge, by the way, and my co-host here is Nemeline from Canada, and Roxanne from Seattle, and Emilu from California. So for today, we're gonna talk about retiring. So what comes after our retirement? So this is March, by the way, originally from Baguio City, Philippines, and now residing here in California, USA. So let us ask you something. What actually comes after retirement? So not that we were told, not the dream, but the reality. What is the reality that comes after retiring? So because most people think retirement is the finish line, but what if it's actually the moment you realize that you still need an income? So if you're watching right now, comment below, and we would want to read your opinion about our topic today. So you see, um, we used to think that retirement really finally means that you're relaxing because you're not working anymore, like no alarms, no stress, just enjoying life. But what actually comes after retirement? Do you still have the income that you're gaining when you were working? Is your pension, we call that pension after retirement, if your pension enough for you to survive the rest of your life? So let's be honest here. There's the part that nobody really talks about after retirement. Retirement doesn't stop your bills. So we still have bills to pay after retiring. So you comment in the box below if you agree for this one. So for my co-host is Roxanne, all the way from Seattle. She might want to give you her experience about what comes after retirement. So, Sis Roxanne, take it away.
Thank you, Sis Marge. Happy Friday to everyone, and happy Saturday if you are on the other side of the world. Roxanne from Seattle, originally from the Philippines, and now residing here in Seattle. I'm a property accountant by profession, a mom, and a proud digital business owner. Like what Sis Marge said, retirement is not the finish line, it is a new chapter. Just like we're raising a family or building a career, that chapter needs an intention. Have you ever thought about what your daily life would look like after your retirement? Because our income doesn't continue automatically when we're working. Hindi kagaya nung nagwo-work ka, kapalit agad ng effort natin ay yung income natin. But when we stop working, that flow can stop as well. Imagine waking up knowing that there's no income coming in. That's a different kind of pressure that we need to prepare for. And especially nowadays, inflation is real. Everything is going up with the groceries, rent, gas, even basic needs. Our increase on our paycheck or income is 3 to 5%, which is the normal, but inflation is more than that, I believe. So what feels enough today might not feel very different 10 to 20 years from now. If you can relate, parang every grocery trip natin, mas mumamahal. We're excited to do grocery, pero pag checkout time, oh, ang bilis ng, ang hirap kitain ng pera, pero ang bilis maubos. We never stop being parents too. And as a parent, we always want to help our kids, even for their future, like for their college, emergencies, and any future family needs. The desire that we have to give to our children, it doesn't retire. Hanggang tumatanda tayo, yung expenses natin sa mga bata, sa magiging apo natin later on, we also need to prepare for that. And especially when we get old, our health becomes a priority. As we age, we need more support, checkups, medication, and those things that doesn't require just time, but financial preparation. So we need to be open to any possibilities. We need to prepare for our future, for our family's future, and we need to not wait for until retirement to figure out things. Why not start building something now while we have the energy, the income, and the options? And then sabi nga nila, we can work to fund our business, and then later on, the business will take care of the rest. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sis Roxanne. Yeah, tama si yeah, what like Sis Roxanne has said, she's really true about that. Like after retirement, rent doesn't retire, your mortgage don't retire, not unless you already paid for your mortgage or for everything, but there's still that real property tax. It doesn't retire. Bills don't retire. Yung sabi ni Sis kanina, groceries don't retire. So, what if lang what if your savings isn't enough? Yung sabi nga ni Sis Roxanne kanina, lahat na lang, puro money out, money out. Walang money in. Is your pension enough? Is your saving enough? Well, parang dito sa amin sa abroad, if you retire, like here in California, you know how expensive life here is in California. Gas pa lang talagang mabubutas na yung bulsa mo. So, what if you retire and you're not, yung sabi ni Sis Roxanne kanina, hindi mo na nakikita yung income mo nung nagtatrabaho ka. Syempre, nag-aabang ka na lang sa pension mo. And yeah, you're not working anymore. So, ibig sabihin yung pension mo lang ang pumapasok. Wala nang hindi ka na income generating because you're not working anymore. So kung yung pension mo lang ang pumapasok at puro ka money out, syempre kailangan mo din namang magbayad ng bills, kailangan mo rin namang kumain. Or kung pamilyado ka, you have to support your family too. So it won't stop. Retirement means it doesn't stop. So we really need to yun yung sinasabi nilang reality check. So check your reality muna. It's better na mag-start ka ngayon kaysa kaysa dumating yung panahon na dadanasan mo talaga tong pag nag-retire ka. So we're without further much anymore, let's go all the way to Canada. Sis Nemeline, how are you?
I'm good, thank you, sis. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Nemeline coming to you live from Canada. And it's evening here on my side of the world. I hope everyone had a good day or good Friday or weekend. So, what happens after retirement? Sa trabaho ko, napansin ko na yung iba kahit nasa retirement age na, nagtatrabaho pa rin sila kasi hindi sapat yung pension nila at kaya pa naman nilang magtrabaho kaya they still working. And yung iba naman, when they reach retirement, they are already living at peace kasi they are prepared, they're traveling, they're creating memories with their family. Yun, they're living their life after work kasi nakapag-prepare sila ng maaga. Pero yung iba naman, nag-i-struggle kasi hindi sila nakapag-ipon, hindi sila nakapag-prepare, wala silang ipon, tsaka yung pension nila hindi sapat, at saka kulang na sila ng options how to earn for a living kasi yung iba hindi na kaya ng katawan nila yung trabaho na dati nilang ginagawa. There are no more options sa kanila. That's a hard reality, and it's also a wake up call for us. And so, kaya naisip ko na sabi ko sa sarili ko, ayoko na magtrabaho as a caregiver hanggang pagtanda ko kasi napapansin ko na hindi na ganong kalakas ang katawan ko kagaya noon dati. Parang bumababa din yung resistensya, mga ganon, yung strength. Hindi ko na kaya yung dati kong ginagawa noon, kaya nag-isip ako ng ibang paraan kasi nga pag tumatanda ka na, syempre ang kailangan nila yung agility mo, yung strength mo, kailangan yung strength sa trabaho. So kaya nag-isip ako na nung makita ko yung kakilala ko na matanda na nagtatrabaho, sabi ko ayoko nang ganun, kaya naisipan ko na maghanap ng iba, something that doesn't require physical strength forever. Saka yung it can grow over time and something na makakatulong to secure my retirement. And nung nakita ko itong business na to, I was just looking for an extra income. But then, nung makita ko ang possibility nitong business na you can grow in this business and you can turn it into a retirement plan. Kaya, mas maaga na yung nakapag-prepare ka ng maaga kesa ma-realize mo in the end na akala mo okay ka na, pero nung nag-retire ka na, hindi pala sapat yung naipon mo, tapos may iba pang dumarating na problema. Kaya it's better to prepare early and to feel sorry in the end. Kaya I'm so happy na natagpuan ko itong business na to that I can work and grow with it. That's all, sis.
Thank you, Sis Nemeline, for that wonderful insight. Yeah, what Sis Nemeline said is really true. You see, we're not getting any younger. Tumatanda na po tayo, yung energy, our energy 20 years ago, 10 years ago isn't the same with our energy now, na kaya mong mag double shift, triple shift, double job, triple job, hindi na kakayanin ng katawan. So that's one thing to consider too. We're getting old, admit it or not, you cannot stop that. We're really getting older. So as we grow older, our body gets weak too, and yung kakayahan natin para magtrabaho, because we have to work physically, like kailangan talaga pisikalan yung trabaho. So paano kung hindi ka na ganun kalakas? And the company where you work, or our company where we work from, is that they're gonna start hiring new generations. Yung mapapakinabangan nila na mas bata, yung mas makaka-produce ng mas marami, or makaka-take care na mas maraming pasyente, or makaka-produce na mas maraming products, or whatever. The next generation is gonna come in, the younger ones, and you will be replaceable. So during retirement, like i-cover ko na rin yung sabi ni Sis Nemeline kanina, na bumabalik sila sa trabaho kasi hindi nga sapat yung income nila, yung pension nila. That's why they have to go back to work para mabayaran or ma-cover upan kung ano man yung mga binabayaran nila. Because sabi nga ni Sis, yung savings nila nauubos. And the bills doesn't stop too. Yung gastos mo hindi rin tumitigil 'pag nag-retire ka. It doesn't mean, abay kung nag-retire na tayo kung ganun nga ang buhay, 'di ang ganda, 'di ba? Magre-retire na rin pati bills, 'di maganda. But no, it doesn't. Yun ang reality natin. It doesn't work that way. So to our viewers out there, especially for the younger ones, and starting to have a family or starting a career of their own, and for our generation too, it's never too late to start. um, we can always create a new chapter in our life, especially ngayon na digital age mo, is that you don't need physical strength to do this. You just need to be anong tawag doon, kailangan lang ng tibay ng loob, at saka kailangan ng mahabang pasensya, and kailangan din natin color up and coachable ka. Yun po ang kailangan ngayon, because come to think of it, yeah, I would want to reiterate that we're not getting any younger, we're getting older. So that's the harsh reality in life. And as we grow older, the bills doesn't stop. Nadadagdagan pa nga yan eh. So talking back, let us hear from our sister, Sis Emmy from San Diego.
Yes, hello. Happy Friday to everyone. So, mga manonood or yung joining us live. So, karamihan, ito yung hindi na pag-uusapan. So, a real question lang. So, what do you think life will actually happen after retirement? So, ito, it's not like a dream version. So, not the vacation, travel, relax version. So, it's the real version. So, a lot of people think retirement is freedom. Gaya nga ng sabi ninyo, hindi lahat, stable. So, but for many, it becomes a different kind of stress. So, it's a different way. So, let's paint a picture. We work 20, 30, or even 40 years, waking up early, missing moments, sacrificing time with our kids. So, and then finally, retirement comes. So, at first, syempre, it feels good, di ba? Kasi walang alarm clock, wala tayong iniisip. We rest, we slow down, and then we breathe. But then reality starts to hit. Ito na yung naiisip ng fixed income, rising cost of living, medical expenses, less energy to work, yun nga gaya ng sabi ng mga mga Cisco dito. Suddenly, we're not building anymore. We're trying to maintain yung fixed income natin, yung natin, from retirement pension, sinasabi natin. Pero ang karamihan ng mga tao na hindi nare-realize dito is retirement doesn't mean income stop. So, expenses don't. Yun nga sabi ni Sis Roxanne, hindi talaga tumitigil ang expenses natin. Grocery, gas, medical bills, emergency, andito na. Inflation keeps going up. Especially now, gas. Hindi natin mapigilan ang gas prices. And then, even when our paycheck doesn't. So, depending on one source of income becomes risky. So, especially for us, mga nanay, and then healthcare workers, immigrants, we're used to working hard. So, pero it teaches how to build something that works for us later in life. So, as we've seen, ito nga yung iba na yung nangyayari. So, people going back to work, kagaya nga ng sabi ni Sis Nemeline, after retiring, kasi people cutting back on basic needs. So, gaya dito sa California, they already start cutting those budgets for the Medicare. So, it's totally mahirap talaga para sa mga retiree people, especially if they're in need for meron silang mga medical, talagang kulang talaga sa kanila yung kanilang pension kasi nag-out of pocket sila. So, some people, they're depending on their family. lalo na ngayon, ganito yung nangyayari sa economy natin. And that's not the life most of us imagine. So, sa akin, this hits differently kasi I asked myself, what if I can't work one day? What if something happened to my job? What if I reach the retirement and it's not enough? As a mom, that scared me syempre. Pero sa akin, ayokong hanggang 67, baka hindi pa 67 ang retirement age dito sa US. It might gonna be 75. Siyempre ayokong mangyari na, mare-reach ko yung age nagwo-work pa rin ako. Ayun ang ayaw kong mangyari. So, siyempre, I think about myself and then my kids na I don't want them to feel like I have to carry me financially. Yung ayoko yung burden ako na umaasa ako sa kanila. So, and then I want to be in the position where syempre I still have options, I still have income coming in, I still have freedom. So, na-realize ko retirement shouldn't be start of freedom. Maybe it should be starting building freedom before we get there. That's why I found this business, itong online business, which is I start exploring it, not to replace overnight as Sis Nemelin says na it building to be on the side, something that it doesn't depend physical energy, run in the background, and then it can grow over time. So imagine this, reaching retirement with multiple income stream, having something that still pays you na you don't worry about it, 'di ba? Every month that change everything. So in here, just be clear, this isn't about quitting your job, it's about being smart with your time. So, 'di ba? In the future, nagpapasalamat ka na lang sa sarili mo na you started early. Kahit man late, you already started building your future. Na kahit hindi mo alam, at least may experience ka na. Dito is it's we cannot control economy, yung control inflation, but we can control what we build on the side. Ito yon yung online business na ito. So, if you're thinking about your future, if something is saying you there has to be more, so no pressure, no commitment. We can show you how we start and then decide something if you explore this online business. So, kasi ito, because retirement should be feel like survival. Karamihan, yun yung yung nagre-retire ngayon eh. Parang yung sa kanila nagsusurvive sila sa pension. Pero hindi nila nafe-feel na it's a freedom. Parang kulang pa rin sa kanila. So, that's all for me, mga sis.
Yep. Thank you for that. Yeah, everything, every insight. I hope that every insight and every story that we tackle on this live episode will resonate with you or will help you decide what more do you want for your future, for yourself, and for your family. We are not scaring you guys. This is just the reality of life. We're just trying to prepare you. We're just trying to share um our our story that this might be na sana makatulong upang mag-prepare kayo or you can take action or decide what to do with your future, because really there are a lot of options out there. Ang dami pong options, especially at this day of age where you can do both. Us dito, we didn't quit our job. We are still working and at the same time building this online business, because we know for a fact that this online business is our gateway to the future, for our future. So we are starting building it today. If you can build it today, why not coconut, di ba? So this is just to remind you guys, not to scare you, and this conversation is the reality of life. So believe it or not, we are not living in a fantasy world. We're living in a reality world where everything is going up, prices, bills, everything. And the reality is that we have to work hard for that so that we can be able to pay them. And so to wrap it all up, we just want to hear it from you. What's your biggest concern about retirement, or what's stopping you from starting something new? So if nothing changed, where do you see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years from now? So you can always send us a message or drop it in the comments below, and we can start a conversation. And we'd be happy to talk with you guys about your future plans. So anything you want to say before we wrap up, my dear co-hosts? So before we say goodbye, and before we wrap up our live episode for today, here we want to leave you with this truth: time will pass, whether we like it or not, whether we act or not. Time is moving forward. You cannot stop time. You cannot stop your age. We're moving forward. We're living up. We're growing old. So it's up to you if you can keep waiting for the right time where there is no right time, or you can decide that today is that time to take action. You see, you don't need to have everything figured it out. You just need to be willing to start. So we encourage you to start what you have now for this online business. No need to be scared. If you want, you can always check 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 in our profile how legit our business is, and you can always message us. You can always give us a call, and we would be happy to have a conversation with you guys. And if you're happy with this episode, you can always drop it in the comments below, and we would be happy to mentor you and teach you everything you want to, and give you everything, every info or every detail that you would want to learn from this episode. So you see, if there's something inside you that is telling you that you want more in life, then don't ignore it. Go for it. So message us, always message us, or give us a call. We are always open for you guys 24/7. This is how our business is automated. It runs in the background 24/7. So every time you would want to ask, you can message us anytime, any day of the week, any time of the day, and we will be here to answer your questions. So this is how automated our business is. So this Roxanne, sis Ems, Nameline, you want to
Yes,
say
yes.
your
Uh, it's never too late to start kahit nasa retirement age na itong business natin is welcome naman sila kasi may mga business owners sa community namin na they started when they are on their golden years kasi na-realize nila na hindi sapat yung pension nila or yung ipon nila and they can still learn kasi gusto pa yung iba gusto pa nila na continuous learning pa rin sila and they want to do something more for themselves. Hindi sila nag-i-stay kung saan lang sila. They realize na may options pa sila and kaya pa naman nila. So they started even though they are not on the early stage. Kahit na nasa retirement stage na sila, they still decided to do the business. So it's not only for the younger ones but also for the golden years itong business na to. Kasi we have around the clock community support. You don't do the business alone. Meron tayong mga mentors and coaches available 24/7. Just reach out. Everyone here is helping each other grow in this business. so you won't feel alone. Yun lang, sis.
Sis Roxanne?
Like what Sis March said, we're not here to pressure anyone, but we are here to share that there are options, that you can create income that doesn't retire. We build this business while we're still working full time. This is very flexible, so you can still be present with your family and build something on the side that can continue to grow financially, and as personal growth as well is possible in this business. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of us. Register to our website. We'll be happy to send you information or the link for the webinar, so you can, if you are interested to learn more. Thank you.
Sis Ems?
Yes, like they said. So don't hesitate, no pressure. So if you guys are willing to do this, very coachable ba kayo? Or there's every mentors in here. So we are here to show you this business, step-by-step training as they said. So just reach out to us. You can see our website over there. Okay.
Okay, like what they've said, this business is for all ages, 21 years old and up. It's never too late to start. You can always learn. So, this is us reminding you, start where you are right now. Start with what you have right now, as long as you are able to, willing to learn, willing to be trained, and willing to be, if you're coachable, then this business is for you, especially if you are the ones who want change in their life. Let us remind you that this business is only for people who wants to transform their lives. So this is it for us today. As we wrap up tonight, let us leave you with uh, a good night, rest well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and every one of you, wherever you may be. And thank you for watching us live today. And for those of you who weren't able to watch us live, you can always catch us on replay. Just check our profile below, and you can always watch us on replay. So this is it for us today. Happy Friday, everyone. Be safe and God bless us all, and see you on our next live episode. So bye for now. Happy
Bye.
Friday.
Happy weekend.
Happy weekend.
And